Hello everyone and welcome to our channel one more time. This time we're gonna do a tutorial on how you can change the brakes on a Toyota Rav4. This is very simple to change and you can do it very quickly. Alright, so first things first, when you put in the jack, remember to put it in the right place. For example, on this truck, they put it on the wrong side on this area, and that it's not the right way to do it. That's why it's bent. Should be right there. Okay, so to take off the tire, if you have a pressure gun, it's okay for you to lift the car first. But if you don't have it, make sure first you loosen the nuts and then you lift the tire, because if you don't do it that way, it's gonna be spinning when you try to take the nuts off. So practically the tools you're gonna need to do this job are very few. You're gonna need a socket, 14 millimeters, and these are just to remove these two nuts you have here, one here and one over here. It's not a big job, very easy to do. And you're gonna need a pry, like anything, just to pry these out. Much easier. And this one, maybe you're gonna need it, maybe you're not. Okay, but this is a 17. This goes right here in case when you tighten this nut, this is moving. With this one, you can hold it and then you can tighten it, should I say. Remember this, you're gonna need these packages so you can put them on the brake, so that way you don't have any squeaky noises. And these type of brakes on the rear, they have these little pins here. So make sure you remove these pins from the old ones. Some brakes come with it, some don't, and put it on the new one. It's only on one of them, just to make it a little tighter. Another tool you're gonna need is this, before I forget. This is for the caliper. Remember that you're changing the brakes because they're old. That means the caliper pushed in. If it pushed in, you need to push it out. If you don't have this, you don't have to buy one. Just go to the auto part, they'll rent you one for free. Very easy to use, and it goes like this. And you pry it with a 22 if you have one. If not, use something else like pliers or something. Okay, so very easy job to do. Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.